Good morning, class. So we've completed week 2. We're 2 weeks down. Guys are doing good. I love the discussion board. Everyone is posting on time and you are sharing such good information. This is one of the best discussion boards each week that I have participated in since I've been teaching with Vista. You guys are doing such a great job at responding to one another and adding your experiences and your thoughts. That's what makes communicating in the discussion board so important because we learn from one another and we get ideas from one another. So I appreciate the hard work that you guys are putting into your discussion responses. Now, with that said, I want to kind of recap over week 2. We talked about the parts of speech and punctuation. I've graded your work for week 2, so go in and look at that. Great job on the 10 sentences and identifying the parts of speech. You guys did a great job with that, and also revising the paragraph that we had. I love doing those types of things. I know that might sound weird, but I am an English teacher. I love going and revising little stories. It's fun to me. And you guys did a great job with that as well. Now, let's take a look at what we're going to talk about in week 3, preparing to write. So here we are, we're getting ready to write. And you're going to develop a thesis statement and also create an outline for this week. I added an outline template for your formal outline in the assignment area because I feel like maybe we need to recap on what an outline looks like, with your Roman numerals and your subsections and all of that. So please feel free to use that outline template that I put in the assignment area. So you're going to identify your main idea this week. You're going to think about and talk about modes of writing. And then you're going to start organizing your writing by, of course, creating an outline. Be sure to look at the videos posted in your discussion. If you have any questions, any comments, please do not hesitate to contact me. I will be sending out midterm grades on Thursday. So if you have any missing assignments, and I don't have very many missing assignments, but just in case you do, go ahead and submit those by Wednesday, and Thursday I'll be sending out your midterm grades. You guys are doing really well in this class. I'm so impressed with the level of writing and the interaction that's going on in this class. I'm proud. So thank you guys for being such a good class. Have a great week. Call me if you need me. All right. Talk to you soon.